Alam mo ba that before me being an NLP master trainer, before me in the space of transformation, one of my passion was really personal finance. I really wanted to change my life, become more wealthy and abundant. So what happened was I was reading all these books. I was reading all these personal finance books. I was reading all these investment books. And even though na alam na alam ko na paano mag-budget, paano mag-invest, I was still getting the same results over and over again. And what results are that? Palagi na lang walang laman yung wallet ko. Are you also like that? Nagbabudget ka naman, nag-i-invest ka naman, nag-aambisyon ka na magka-negosyo or meron ka ng existing business right now but you're still not getting the right results. Now, imagine nakaka-frustrate, di ba? After doing this for more than 10 years, I started to ask myself, there must be something wrong with me. I know all the skills, but I'm not getting the right results. So, I did some soul searching. Sabi ko, hindi naman siguro yung negosyo may problema. Hindi naman siguro yung sistema yung may problema. There must be something that I needed to change within myself. But the challenge there was that I didn't know what I needed to change within me. And I was just so blessed that I was into self-development. I started reading books, and one book really helped me a lot. It helped me see that I had this belief when it came to money that was limiting me. Unconsciously pala, I didn't realize that I had guilt when it came to money. Imagine, I wanted to be abundant and wealthy, but deep inside, I had this guilt. Because when I was growing up, I would always be exposed to the media. Yung napapanood mo sa TV, nakikita mo dyan that money is the root of all evil, yung mga mayayaman, masasamang tao. And unconsciously, hindi ko na namalayan na it was being installed pala, na program na pala ako. Suddenly, after a while, it became some sort of a belief in me. So, even if I wanted to change my life, even if I wanted to become abundant, unconsciously, I was also pulling myself back. I was sabotaging myself. Imagine, the opportunities were there. Ang daming opportunities for me to grow my wealth, become more abundant, but ako din pala yung sumisira sa opportunities. And it's all because of the programs that I had in my mind, the money programs that I had that was installed in me when I was growing up. So, you need to reflect on yourself. You need to reflect, ano ba yung mga programa mo when you were growing up when it comes to money? Was money hard for you? Was money something negative? Was money something na pinag-aawayan nyo ba sa family nyo? Kasi there's a big tendency that how you deal with money, how you react with money right now is all based on your experience with money before when you were younger. It's very important that you become aware of who you are because how can you change the results if yung programa mo dati, ganun pa rin hanggang ngayon. It's time for an update. If your cell phone is updating every quarter, dapat tayo din mag-update din tayo. Now, if you're asking how can I update my mind? So, ang daming tools, daming tools. One tool is neurolinguistic programming, another one is timeline therapy, and hypnotherapy. That's the power of having tools kasi hindi tayo helpless, hindi tayo mukhang kawawa kasi ganito na ako, kasi ganito yung experience ko. We can change our results by first changing our minds. Again, kaya mong baguhin yung buhay mo, kailangan mo lang mag-decide.